All right, so today we're looking at a 2013 LEDWELL. It's an LW48 HT2-10-PB. PB stands for the perimeter beam. 10 is the recess ramp that lifts up. Again, like with almost all my trailers, it's a southern trailer, so rust isn't really an issue. What you're looking at here are chain chips where they've thrown chains. So you got your flip down side ramps, dual controls, driver side and passenger side. You got chain slots in the deck, also in the middle of the deck, which is pretty handy. You do have stake pockets on these trailers, 17.5 low pro tires, expanded metal across the middle. They're really handy trailers just for generalized equipment moves, things like that. Trailer does have curb lights on it, which are kind of nice. It also has the flip out lights, which I love to point out are kind of a waste in my opinion. Also, these are kind of handy. They keep the chain from sliding on the side rail if you need to find an extra place to hook a chain. Passenger side flip down ramp, passenger side controls, 2-speed landing gear. If you have any questions, give us a buzz. AA Diesel Trucking Equipment Inc. 713-675-5922. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.